wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but
before I hop into makeup, I thought that I would share my current skincare regimen. I am now using the Hydro Boost exfoliating cleanser by Neutrogena. I do prefer an exfoliating cleanser. I was using basically the same cleanser, but it wasn't exfoliating, so I didn't have the little script things in it before, but now I'm using this one because I'm using a serum now. I'm using the Hydro Boost hydrating serum, then I'm using the oil-free moisturizer for combination skin, and I got this as my birthday gift from Ulta back in September, and I see it's about to expire in May, so I've been using this and I have been loving it for moisturizing my skin. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I will technically start the actual cleaning routine. As you can see, the whole bedroom is basically spotless, as well as the bathroom. I was not supposed to do all of that. This video is very much turning into like a spring cleaning type of situation. But while we're here, I want to show you guys my curtains. I can show you from here. The last time that you guys saw this room, I had the curtains up here, but they had not been put on the hooks yet. I literally am obsessed with the hooks, and you need hooks. And let me tell you why you need hooks. First of all, if your curtains are a little short, they're going to help you to elongate the curtains. For me, I like my curtains to kiss the floor. These are like doing a little bit more than kissing, slightly, but like nothing too major. But most importantly, you need these hooks, because if you put your curtains on the hooks, then again, you can move them freely as you wish. But also, if you need to wash them, iron them, steam them, take them down for any reason, if you don't like them, if you want to change out your curtains frequently, you can do that without having to, like, I had to get a step ladder, I had to get up here, untwist these, both of these, and then it was a whole situation. But this makes it so much easier to remove these. So I am loving these. I'm loving being able to just open and close, which I really don't do that. I pretty much leave them open around the clock, but I'm loving these. When I get downstairs, that is when I focus all of my attention in the main areas, which for us are the kitchen and the breakfast nook. The dog is in and out from using the bathroom. She has her treats in here. We're messing up in the kitchen. We have dishes and all of those things. So this is where I focus my main attention, and I do this every single morning. And I do this every single evening as soon as I walk through the door when I get home from work. What I'm gonna do is work my way from top to bottom. I always do that because you don't want to like vacuum and then wipe off the countertops, and now you have possibly some debris that fell from the countertops on the floor, and then you have to do all the work over again. I am not here for that. So we're just gonna work our way from top to bottom.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need
so that is my morning cleaning routine. Again, I do this in the evening as well, and this just really prevents me from having to do a whole lot of cleaning throughout the week. What I don't do, my husband does, such as laundry and deep cleaning. Like, I'll do deep cleaning too, but he's the one that's like changing air filters, doing the stuff outside, like the lawn and cleaning fans and all of that kind of stuff. But of course, we'll set aside a couple hours, maybe every couple of weeks or something, to do a lot of deep cleaning together. But this is pretty much how I maintain, and I don't know if I've mentioned this, but I've had to really start implementing cleaning more frequently rather than just cleaning once a week or something like that after we got the dog. And also, she's in heat, so that required a little bit more attention to detail regarding keeping the house clean. So that's just what I do every morning and every evening. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.